Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 5, that is growing plants, and the topic which we are going to discuss today is ways of dispersal of seeds. In previous video we have talked about seeds which get dispersed by different agents like wind, water. In today's video, we will be discussing about it in more proper way. Like dispersal is the scattering of seed over a large area. Now, let us look what are the different ways by which a seed get dispersed. So the first way here which we will study is wind. So the seeds like dahlia, maple, cotton, they all are the seeds which get dispersed by wind. These seeds are very small and light. The seeds of cotton and dahlia have tufts of air, while the seed of maple are winged. This makes it easy for them to be carried away by wind. So, by the help of wind, these seeds can be dispersed very easily. Now, let us talk about water. What are the seeds which get dispersed by the water? So, the first name which comes in your mind is lotus and coconut. Plants that grow in our near water get dispersed. The seeds and fruits in the water. Seeds of plants like lotus and coconut have a spongy or fibrous covering that helps them to float on water. As you can see the picture, this lotus and coconut they are easily floating over the water. Now let us talk about explosion. As you can see, and it is very clear from the name explosion, some seeds grows in pods. While the pod is ripe, it dries up and then explodes forcefully, throwing out the seeds in all directions. Like you can see in this small GIF how the seed is being exploded from that small pod. Few examples are peas, beans, balsam are dispersed in this way. Here you can see how these peas or how these pods are being dispersed automatically. Either they get dispersed by the pressure or they get dispersed by any of the other reason. So in the explosion, few examples like peas, beans and balsams are the seeds which get dispersed by the process of explosion. Now, let us talk about animals. Animals play a very vital role in dispersing the seeds. Some seeds, like cocklebur, have spines and hooks. Here you can see a dog and its face you can find cocklebur, which is all very nicely placed, means when this dog would have traveled by mistake it would have attached to its body. So these seeds stick to the body of animals and get carried away to far places. When birds and animals eat fruits, the undigested seed pass through their digestive system along with the waste. Like here you can see these birds and animals they carry the seeds with them, and when they travel to the different place that seed also travel, and like this the seed get dispersed. Here you can see how one bird when it is consuming that seed then or that fleshy fruit and then it flies. After that what happens, the undigested seed pass through their digestive system and it falls on the earth, and then what happens, the seed again get dispersed by this plant. So in this way animals and birds also play a very important role in dispersal of seed. Here let us move forward, and here you can get all the ways by which the seed get dispersed. Like first, here we have animals, then we have winds, then we have explosion, and then we have water. So these are the four ways by which a seed can get dispersed very easily. Thank you, my dear children.